in previous session, students, we have discussed about the word problems of quadratic equations related to integers. Now some more doubts we will discuss today. Like first we have discussed question 3 and question 1 and question 2 in previous session, and some students have doubts in question 3. The product of the ages of Ram and Sam now is 175 more than the product of their ages 5 years prior. If Ram is 20 years older than Syam, so this statement is the statement which must be used first of all. This is the relation between ages of Ram and Syam in present year. Means these are the current ages of Ram and Syam. And who is older? Think about this. If Ram is older than Syam, means Ram is older. Syam is younger, Ram is older by 20 years. So if we consider that age of the younger one, Syam is X years, then age of the Ram will be 20 years more than Syam. That is, we have to add 20 years to the age of Syam, means X plus 20, as Ram is 20 years older than Syam. So this is the assumption which we have to take first of all. Let the age of the younger one, Syam, be X, and at the same time Ram is 20 years older than Syam. Age of Ram equals to X plus 20 years. Always write X first. Some students write 20 plus X. No, you have to always write X as the first term. X plus 20 years. Let the age of Syam be X years and age of Ram, who is older than Syam, is X plus 20 years. The product of the ages of Ram and Syam now is, so product of ages now means current product. Product of age now means current product, X into X plus 20. So this is the present age of Ram. We have to actually write present or the current. Present age of Syam be X years and present age of Ram is X plus 20 years. Now, product of their ages 5 years prior. 5 years prior, first write their ages. 5 years prior, age of Syam. So what must be the age of Syam? 5 years prior. What must be the age of Syam? Okay, so age of Syam, as this time age of Syam is X years. So think about your age before 5 years. If you are 16 years old this time, it means before 5 years. If you have to find your age 5 years prior, means before 5 years you are 16 minus 5, 11 years older. It means if this time age of Syam is X year, so we have to subtract 5 from the age of Syam. Always write X. 5 subtracted from age of Syam. So it is X minus 5 years. At the same time, age of Ram this time is X plus 20 years, which we have assumed. The present age of Ram. Present age of Ram is X plus 20 years this time. It means before 5 years. Again, from the age of Ram, that is X plus 25 is subtracted. So that will be the age of Ram. Age of Ram 5 years prior, which we have to find. So X plus 20 minus 5. So what will be the value of X plus 20 minus 5? 20 minus 5, 15, and X remains X. Right inside the bracket, X plus 15 years. So current age of Syam is X years. Age of Syam 5 years ago is X minus 5 years. Age of Ram, current age of Ram, X plus 20 years. And age of Ram 5 years ago is X plus 20 minus 5, that is X plus 15 years. So what will be the product? Product of age 5 years prior. Then we write product of ages 5 years prior. So first age of Shyam into age of Ram. As Ram is older, so he always remains older. If we find the difference between these two, Ram is still 5 years ago also Ram is 15 years, 20 years older than Shyam. But their ages will be different, were different. Now, which of the product will be greater? Product of current ages or the product of prior ages? Which product will be greater? You have to think which of the products will be greater. The product of ages 5 years prior or the product. We have to read the statement from the question. What is the statement written in the question? It is written that the product of ages of Ram and Shyam now is 175 more than the product of their ages 5 years prior. This we have to change into equation. So how to convert it to equation? This is the main purpose of solving this question. When we change this statement which is written, the product of, read it, the product of ages of Ram and Shyam now. So just stop before the word is. Is means equals to. Again read it. The product of ages of Ram and Shyam now. So read in our assumption, where is it written? Product of ages of Ram and Shyam now. So what is the product of ages of Ram and Shyam now? What is the product of ages Ram and Shyam now? According to question, we have to convert it to equation. What is written in the question? It is written that the product of the ages of Ram and Shyam now, and it is x into x plus 20. So we write x into x plus 20. Is means, then we write is. Is means, this is in form of mathematical equation. In form of mathematical equation, the product of ages of Ram and Shyam is x into x plus 20. In form of mathematical equation, is means equals to 175 more than, what is the result? We have to add 175 to it. What is written after that? 175 more than, this is English. In with this, we have to add 175 at the end. 175 more than x is x plus 175. So 175 more than what? Which is written after them. The product of their ages 5 years prior. So what is the product of ages 5 years prior? This is written. The product of the ages 5 years prior is x minus 5 into x plus 15. It is clearly written. The product of the ages 5 years prior is x minus 5 into x plus 15. And 175 more than that means we have to add 175 to this product. Means what will be the right hand side of this mathematical equation? Product of their ages 5 years prior and plus 175. Or you can write the word equation also for this. It will be easier to write the word equation first. We read it again. This is the method how to convert the word equation to mathematical equation. In first line, it is written that the product of the ages of Ram and Shyam now. So we write product of ages of Ram and Shyam now, it is written is, then it is written is. Is means equals to 175 more than the, wait, product of their ages 5 years prior. Means product, in short, we write 5 years prior. As in left hand side, we already have written product of ages of Ram and Shyam now is equal to product of 5 years prior. Product 5 years prior, 175 more than that, means on adding 175 to it. So it is very easy now. In place of product of ages of Ram and Shyam now, we will write x into x plus 20. In place of equals to, we will write equals to. Product 5 years prior is also given. X minus 5 into x plus 15. Then plus 175. In this way, we have converted this word equation to mathematical equation. Now open the bracket. X square plus 20x equals to, open this bracket also. X square minus 5x plus 15x minus 75 plus 175. It implies x square both sides cancelled out. 20x equals to minus x plus 15x minus 5x plus 15x is 10x minus 75 plus 175, 100. It implies 20x minus 10x equals to 100. It implies 10x equals to 100. And it implies x equals to 100 by 10. That is 10. X we have assumed the current age of Shyam. So we write current age of Shyam equals to 10 years. And we have to find the current age of Ram also, which is, who is 20 years older than Ram. So 10 plus 20, it will be 30 years. 10 plus 20, 30 years. So this is the answer. Now we don't have answer sheet now, so we check it in rough. So what should we do to check it? Subtract the 5 from ages of both. 10 minus 5, 5. 30 minus 5, 25. Product is 25 into 5, 125. Product, current product, 10 into 30, 300. So 300 minus 125, it is 175, which is given in the question. The age of Ram is 25 years this time, which is 20 years more than age of Shyam, which is 5 years. 5 plus 20, 25. Correct. Now, 5 years before, the ages of Ram and Shyam is 25 into 5, 125. And this time it is 10 into 30, 300. And according to question, the product of current age of Ram and Shyam, that is 300, is 175 more than the ages of Ram and Shyam 5 years prior, means 125 and plus 175. Is it clear? Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. So our answer is also correct. Understood? In this way, we have to convert the word equation to mathematical equation. It is clearly given that the product of the ages of Ram and Shyam now is 175 more than the product of their ages 5 years prior. If Ram is 20 years older than Shyam, what are their current ages?